Avoid dialysis. Top 7 natural milk to cleanse and protect your kidneys. Is milk really good for your kidneys? Or does milk slowly harm them without you knowing? If you or someone you love has kidney problems, these questions probably come up a lot. And trust me, you are not alone. Milk and kidney health is one of the most confusing topics out there. Some people say milk is healthy, others say kidney patients should avoid it completely. And now with so many plant-based milks on store shelves, things feel even more confusing than before. Here's the truth. Not all milk is bad for your kidneys, but choosing the wrong one can quietly make kidney damage worse over time. In this video, we'll break it down in a simple way. I'll show you the top 7 natural milks that can help cleanse, protect, and support your kidneys, and which ones you should stay away from if you want to avoid dialysis. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last milk on this list is the one many kidney patients use every day, and most people have no idea how powerful it really is. 1. Rice milk. Rice milk is one of the earliest plant-based milks and is still a popular choice today, especially for people with kidney problems. It is made from milled rice and water, so it does not contain lactose, soy, or nuts. This makes rice milk a safe option for people who have food allergies or lactose intolerance. One big reason rice milk is kidney-friendly is its mineral content. Compared to cow's milk or many other plant milks, rice milk is naturally low in potassium, phosphorus, and protein. These are 3 things kidney patients often need to limit. According to the National Kidney Foundation, controlling potassium and phosphorus intake can help reduce stress on the kidneys and slow kidney damage. Rice milk is also gentle on digestion and easy for the body to process. It does not increase acid load in the body, which is helpful because damaged kidneys already work harder to keep blood balance stable. However, not all rice milk is the same. Many store-bought versions contain added phosphorus preservatives, often listed as ingredients with PHOS in the name. These additives are absorbed almost 100% by the body and can be harmful to kidney health. That's why reading the ingredient label is very important. Choose unsweetened rice milk with a short ingredient list. When used the right way, rice milk can be a simple, safe drink that supports kidney health and helps lower the risk of complications that may lead to dialysis. 2. Soy milk. Soy milk is one of the earliest and most common milk alternatives. It is made from whole soybeans and water, which gives it a very different nutrition profile compared to other plant-based milks. One thing to know is that soy milk is higher in potassium and phosphorus than options like rice milk or almond milk. On average, 1 8-ounce cup of soy milk contains around 400 milligrams of potassium, while phosphorus can range from 80 milligrams to 250 milligrams depending on the brand. For people with kidney disease, these minerals matter because damaged kidneys have trouble removing excess potassium and phosphorus from the blood. The National Kidney Foundation recommends monitoring these minerals closely to reduce kidney strain. However, soy milk also has a strong advantage: protein. Soy milk is one of the highest protein plant milks and provides nearly the same amount of protein as cow's milk per serving. This makes it a valuable option for people on dialysis and for those with chronic kidney disease and diabetes, who often need more protein to maintain muscle and strength. Another benefit is that plain soy milk is low in oxalates, with only about 4 milligrams per cup. Low oxalate levels are helpful for kidney health and may reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. Because of this, soy milk can still be a kidney-friendly choice, even for people with polycystic kidney disease, PKD. That said, soy milk is not ideal for everyone. If your doctor has told you to strictly limit potassium or phosphorus, choosing a lower mineral plant milk may be safer. As always, select unsweetened soy milk and check labels carefully to avoid added phosphorus ingredients. 3. Almond milk. Many people with kidney disease often ask, is almond milk safe for my kidneys? If you enjoy almond milk, here is some good news. Almond milk is generally a good choice for people with chronic kidney disease, CKD, because it is naturally low in potassium and phosphorus. On average, 1 cup of almond milk contains about 75 milligrams of potassium and 73 milligrams of phosphorus. These lower levels help reduce stress on the kidneys, especially for people who need to control mineral intake. The National Kidney Foundation notes that limiting potassium and phosphorus can help slow kidney damage and prevent complications. Another advantage of almond milk is its very low protein content. This makes it a suitable option for people who are on a low-protein or very low-protein diet, which is often recommended in the early stages of kidney disease to reduce kidney workload. However, almond milk is not perfect for everyone. Many commercial brands add calcium to their products. Some fortified almond milks can contain up to 500 milligrams of calcium per serving, which is already half of the recommended daily intake for adults. For people who need to limit calcium due to kidney issues, this is something to watch closely by reading the nutrition label. There is one more important concern. Almonds are high in oxalates, natural compounds that can increase the risk of kidney stones. According to kidney health experts, people with polycystic kidney disease, PKDD, or a history of kidney stones may want to avoid almond milk or use it only in small amounts. In short, unsweetened almond milk with no added phosphorus can be kidney-friendly for many people, but it should be chosen carefully based on individual kidney needs. 4. Coconut milk. Coconut milk can be a bit confusing, especially for people with kidney disease because it comes in two very different forms. Understanding this difference is important for kidney health. First is canned coconut milk. This type is made from fresh coconut meat with very little water added. It is thick, creamy, and high in fat, which is why it is often used in cooking. Because it comes from real coconut, canned coconut milk contains about 300 milligrams of potassium per cup. For people with kidney disease, this potassium level can add up quickly. The good news is that canned coconut milk is usually used in small amounts, so a little can go a long way for flavor. The second type is coconut milk beverage. This version has much more water added, giving it a thinner texture similar to regular milk. Because of this, it is usually much lower in potassium, making it a safer choice for kidney patients. Still, potassium levels can vary by brand, so checking the nutrition label is always important. Coconut milk is also popular in keto-style diets because it is naturally high in healthy fats and low in sugar. Another big benefit is that coconut milk is very low in oxalates. According to kidney health experts, low oxalate foods can help reduce the risk of kidney stones. This makes coconut milk a good option for people with polycystic kidney disease, PKD, or those prone to kidney stones. If you are looking for a kidney-friendly milk alternative, unsweetened coconut milk beverage is usually the best choice. Be careful, though, as many store-bought products contain phosphorus additives, which can be harmful to kidney health. Always read the ingredient list and avoid products with added PHOS ingredients. Before we continue, if this video is helping you understand your kidney health better, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. It really helps us reach more people who are struggling with kidney problems. And if you have any questions about milk, diet, or your kidneys, leave a comment below. I read the comments, and your question might help someone else too. Now let's keep going. 5. Oat milk. Oat milk is one of the newer dairy-free milk options, but it has become very popular in recent years. Many people like oat milk because it is creamy, has a mild taste, and is free from common allergens like dairy, soy, and nuts. This makes it a comfortable choice for many people with food sensitivities. From a nutrition point of view, oat milk is different from other plant-based milks. It is higher in carbohydrates, usually around 20 grams per cup, and provides about 4 grams of protein per serving. Because of this, oat milk can raise blood sugar more quickly, especially for people with diabetes or insulin resistance, which is common in those with kidney disease. Many commercial oat milks also contain added sugar, which can further increase blood sugar levels. Potassium levels in oat milk can vary a lot depending on the brand. Some versions are low, while others can be much higher. Since high potassium can be dangerous for people with kidney problems, the National Kidney Foundation advises checking nutrition labels carefully. If potassium is a concern, it is best to choose a product with lower potassium or speak with a kidney dietitian for personal guidance. Another important point is phosphorus additives. Many oat milk products use phosphorus-based ingredients to improve texture and shelf life. These additives are easily absorbed by the body and can raise blood phosphorus levels quickly. That's why reading the ingredient list and avoiding products with phosphorus ingredients is very important for kidney health. In summary, oat milk can fit into a kidney-friendly diet, but only when chosen carefully. Unsweetened versions with no phosphorus additives are the safest option. 6. Cashew milk. Cashew milk is another plant-based milk made from nuts, though it is not as popular as almond milk. Still, many people enjoy it because it is smooth, creamy, and works well in cereal or coffee. Right now, there are only a few pure cashew milk brands on the market. Many products mix cashew milk with other plant milks, so it is important to read the label to know what you are really drinking. Cashews naturally contain heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and minerals like iron, magnesium, zinc, and copper. These nutrients are known to support heart and blood health, which is important because kidney disease often increases heart risk. However, during processing, much of these nutrients may be reduced, so cashew milk does not always offer the same benefits as whole cashews. One advantage of cashew milk is its potassium level. Most cashew milk products contain 150 milligrams of potassium or less per cup, making it a reasonable option for people who need to limit potassium intake. According to kidney nutrition guidelines, keeping potassium in a safe range helps prevent dangerous heart rhythm problems in people with kidney disease. There is one important warning. Cashews are naturally high in oxalates. High oxalate intake can increase the risk of kidney stones. People with polycystic kidney disease, PKD, or a history of kidney stones should be careful and may want to limit or avoid cashew milk. Also, always check the ingredient list for phosphorus additives. During research, kidney dietitians have found some cashew milk brands that use added phosphates, which are easily absorbed and can harm kidney health. In summary, unsweetened cashew milk without phosphorus additives can be a kidney-friendly choice for some people, but it should be selected carefully based on individual needs. 7. Flax milk. Flax milk is made from flax seeds, and it is becoming more popular among people looking for kidney-friendly milk options. Flax seeds, like hemp seeds, are a good natural source of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. These nutrients are known to support heart health and reduce inflammation, which is important because kidney disease often increases the risk of heart problems. One major benefit of flax milk is that it is nut-free. This makes it a safe choice for people with nut allergies. Flax milk is also naturally low in protein, which works well for people following a low-protein or very low-protein diet, often recommended in the early stages of chronic kidney disease. For those who need more protein, some flax milk products are made with added pea protein. This can be helpful for people on dialysis or those with higher protein needs. However, added protein may also increase phosphorus levels, so labels should be checked carefully. Flax milk is naturally low in potassium and oxalates, making it a good option for people who need to limit potassium or who are at risk of kidney stones. According to kidney nutrition guidelines, low oxalate foods help reduce stone formation and support long-term kidney health. There is one drawback. The most common flax milk brand found in grocery stores contains phosphorus additives. These additives are easily absorbed by the body and can raise blood phosphorus levels, which is harmful for people with kidney disease. Choosing the right milk may seem like a small decision, but as you've seen in this video, it can make a real difference for your kidney health. Not all milk is the same, and the best option depends on your stage of CKD, your mineral limits, and your body's needs. By switching to a more kidney-friendly milk, checking labels for potassium, phosphorus, and additives, and enjoying milk in moderation, you can better protect your kidneys and lower the risk of future complications. Small changes like this, made consistently, can help support your kidneys and may even help delay or avoid dialysis. If this video helped you understand your options better, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple, honest kidney health tips. And if you have questions about milk, diet, or your kidney condition, leave a comment below. Your question could help someone else too. Take care of your kidneys, and I'll see you in the next video.